Hi everyone, it's Heather from Loving Our Age. And well, I guess it's that time of year when we have to expose our upper arms, but for a lot of us, including myself, we feel kind of self-conscious, right? You know, our upper arms seem to be flabby, even wrinkly, and you know what? I got that problem too. So today I have 8 tips for you, and some of them include cover-ups that really let the air flow in, and a lot of the things that I'm showing to you are new today. So let's start with tip number 1. Since the crochet style is really trending right now, why not cover up that sleeveless dress with my newest find, a beautiful crochet cover-up like this one for $34, and it does come in 13 other colors. It actually makes this dress more stylish than just on its own, and the airflow in the material works to keep me cooler than most cover-ups. I can even tie it in the front for more styling, and just in case you're interested, the hat is $17 and the kitten heel sandals are just $38. And just in case you're wondering about some of the fashions that I'll be showing, I will have information on them underneath the video description and also in the comments, and also at amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50 you will find some of my favorite summer dresses, makeup, and even hair care products, you know, for those frizzy hair days. All right, so let's take a look at another kind of crochet top. It's new to me, and it's suggestion number 2. Here I have a cute new cover-up that I think looks perfect with a jean skirt or shorts. It's just $34 and also available in 8 other colors. It hides that kind of underarm flabby part that I have, but the crochet design also gives me the airflow that I need. And if you like fashion videos, it's one of the main things that I do. So please subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere. And also don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you know when my new ones are out. Now, one of my favorite ways to look stylish and still be cool and kind of cover up my arms are the beach cover-ups. Nope, they're not just for swimsuits. They're fabulous for just styling over dresses or tops. And also, I'm going to show you my favorite one in just a second, but there's a whole bunch of them that I love at amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50 in the beachwear section. But for right now, let's take a look. Probably my favorite one. It's this lace cover-up that to me is just too pretty to just go over a swimsuit. It's just $19.99 and also available in black, but I prefer the white for warm weather days. Once again, I put it over a maxi tube dress, which by the way is only $20 and available in 19 colors. But I could even wear this over shorts and a top. It's so versatile. It also looks great in casual, and by the way, these new shorts that I just found, they're also available for just $29, and I know a lot of you wanted me to show shorts, so here they are. And don't forget to stay until the end of this video where I'm going to have an inspirational message for you. All right, so let's move on and let's look at some tops that really help us to hide our upper arms. And let's start with tip number 4. I love the look of a pretty outfit in the summertime, and this lace top will give you the airflow you need. It's so pretty with this maxi skirt at $34 and a charming stretchy belt for $14. The strappy kitten heels finish off this outfit inspiration at just $38. And if you dare, you can top it off with a lovely floppy hat. All right, so I get it. Sometimes it's 100 degrees in the shade and we just have to wear a sleeveless blouse, a sleeveless dress. All right, for those times, I know I've probably shown this to you before, but the Warner's No Side Effects bra, that's going to keep the girls in. And part of the problem that we have, you know, underneath our arms is that kind of, you know what I mean, right? It's kind of a flabby part that comes out here, but this really helps to keep it in. And it's by Warner's. I love it so much. I even got it in black. And yeah, you know, underneath the sleeveless top, you might see a little bit of the bra showing, but it's fine. You know, unless you're raising your arms a lot, it's absolutely fine. These bras are also really reasonably priced. The last time I checked, for the larger sizes, I think they were $39, and the less larger sizes, $28, something like that. But a really good investment, especially for the warmer weather. All right, so let's keep on looking at blouses, and I think I'm on tip number 6. It's the Flutter sleeve, as I have in this lovely linen blend dress for $53. It's available in 8 other colors, but I love this kind of blue color for myself. I've already worn it on many occasions, and although I also can wear it off shoulder like this, I prefer it with the shoulders covered. And by the way, that look with the off-shoulder look is another way that we can distract from, you know, our underarms and that sort of thing. So that was my tip number 7. All right, for my next tip, let's talk about distracting a little bit, and how we do that is we kind of bring the eye somewhere else, not along our arms. So anyway, let's take a look. So here's another one of my recent purchases, and I just love it. It's a Grace Karen dress available for $46, and although it comes in 4 colors, I love this shade of green. Now it has a lot going on with the detail around the neck, so it does distract the eye from looking at your arms. And check out my Warner's No Side Effects bra underneath. It's holding a lot of that flabby underarm stuff in. Even though you can see it slightly if I move my arms up, I don't do that often, so even if I did, it's not unsightly. The big brown sunglasses are also perfect for the look at $16. And by the way, whenever you're buying any of the fashions, don't forget to look at the size chart. Know your measurements and make sure you look at the size chart, because you know what? A medium is not a medium, or a large isn't a large right across the board. So this really helps me whenever I'm ordering. All right, so let's move on a little bit, and let's talk about our arms and how you can do a little bit of exercising. I use these, I've used 2 of the 5-pound weights, and they really help to, there's lots of exercise ideas, you know, you can Google it, but it's a great idea to keep your muscle tone a little bit stronger. But at the end of the day, and I just sort of do that when I'm watching TV, at the end of the day, as we age, we are going to get the wrinkling. We are going to get some sagging, and that's just the way it is. And so, you know, one of the things I want to say in this inspirational message is just be okay with it, because there are a lot of women, including my late mother, who passed away at 52, who never had the privilege of growing older. So yeah, we can use our weights and we can hide our arms and that sort of thing, but let's also consider that growing older really is a privilege. So if it's 100 degrees in the shade and you just have to wear a sleeveless top or a sleeveless dress, I get that, but you need to have a little bit of confidence. And what I do is a lot of times I'll wear maybe a floppy hat or some fabulous shoes or some amazing jewelry, and I feel good about myself, and that's the main thing. Just feel good about yourself, and to me, it's just one more way to be loving our age.